Ross has Michael Kors bags right now, and when I saw this one, I had to grab it. This is the Michael Kors Sienna shoulder bag in black pebbled leather, and I'm going to show you all the details, how it looks, and of course, is it actually worth it? Okay, so here is the bag, and first of all, this black and gold combination is just beautiful. This is 100% real pebbled leather in black with gold hardware, and you can definitely see and feel the quality. The leather feels really soft but still structured, which gives it that luxury look while also being durable for everyday use. And then I added this gold chain, and I feel like it just elevates the entire bag. It gives it that designer, high-end look. Have you seen this bag before? Let me know in the comments while we look at this beautiful Michael Kors bag. I'd like to know because I got this at Ross Dress for Less, but I've also seen it at Nordstrom Rack. Let's talk about the details for a second. You have the Michael Kors logo right here in gold, which matches perfectly with all the hardware. It also comes with the MK charm, which I think is super cute and adds a little extra to the bag. And I love that this is a shoulder bag, but you can also convert it. So it's really versatile depending on how you want to wear it. I'm removing the stuff paper that was holding the shape to show you the slouch on this bag, so you can see how soft it is along with the structure. This handbag is very large inside. I'll do a what's in my bag in another video, but it has a compartment on both sides inside the bag. I left my chapstick in there, but that's fine. Off the head, I know I can fit in this bag my Michael Kors Continental wallet, my 2 LV pouches, my sunglasses pouch, my notebook, medications, perfume, car keys, and still have plenty of room for more. So here's the natural slouch that this bag has, and this zipper is superb. It just zips right across smoothly. I love the wide strap, and it feels so comfy on my shoulder. When I'm picking it up, it's very secure and durable. I must say, for a hobo shoulder bag, this is one of my favorites out of a lot of brands. So now I'm just going to pack it back up with the paper and stuff it so it keeps its shape, and the leather stays in great condition until I use it again. I actually wore this bag for about 2 months straight because I love it so much. But since I'm switching into another bag today, I wanted to make this video so you all can see the Michael Kors Sienna shoulder bag. This is definitely a great everyday bag. It has a really nice size, not too big, not too small. So you can fit your essentials like your wallet, phone, keys, and even a little extra. And because of the shape, it sits really comfortably on your shoulder. Now let's talk about the best part. I found this at Ross. I still can't believe I found a Michael Kors bag like this there. If you like finding designer items for less, you already know Ross has really been stepping it up lately. This bag is so easy to style. You can wear it casual with jeans and a top, or dress it up a little, especially with the gold chain. It really gives that elevated look. Personally, I love bags like this because you can wear them year-round, and the black and gold just goes with everything. Would you wear this bag? Do you like the black and gold combo? Or would you go for something more colorful? And have you ever found Michael Kors at Ross before? Let me know in the comments. So, is this bag worth it? Honestly, I would say yes. For the quality, especially being 100% real pebbled leather. The look, and the fact that I found it at Ross. I definitely think it's worth it. It looks like a full-price designer bag, but you're getting it for less, and you really can't beat that. If you enjoy videos like this, designer finds, reviews, and shopping deals, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And I'll see you in the next one.